Hello friends, we start the next chapter alcohol, phenol and ether. In alcohol, phenol and ether up to 5 carbons. Alcohol, phenol and ether. First we discuss the alcohol, the syllabus of alcohol, having some topic, introduction and IUPAC nomenclature. That means we discuss the IUPAC nomenclature of the alcohol. Now then next preparation. How will you prepare the alcohol? By various method, in which first we focus on the preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol using Grignard reagent. Then Grignard reagent, then ester hydrolysis, then reduction of aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid and ester. That part discussed in preparation of alcohol. Now then after that we focus on the reactions of alcohol, in which the reaction with sodium. Now then HX, that means Lucas test, then esterification, oxidation with a PCC, then alcoholic KMnO4, acidic dichromate, then concentrated HNO3. After that Opperner oxidation, diol, in which up to 6 carbon, then oxidation of diol and pinacol rearrangement. This is about the overall topic of alcohol. We discuss one by one. Now the introduction of alcohol. Here first alcohols, RH, that means alkane, or it is also called as the hydrocarbon. Friends, now replace hydrogen of alkane. That means we replace the hydrogen of alkane with hydroxyl group. That means replacement of the hydrogen by hydroxyl group. We get the formula ROH and it is called as alcohol. That means this is a simple. How will you prepare alcohol? Here RH, that means alkane, it is also called as the hydrocarbon. If we replace one of the hydrogen with hydroxyl group, we get the ROH. ROH, it is called as alcohol. And how will you define the alcohol? Friends, the alcohols are hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbon, in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by the corresponding number of hydroxyl group. It's called as alcohol. For example, CH3OH, that means the methyl alcohol. Now then C2H5, that means CH3CH2OH, it is called as the ethyl alcohol. Okay. Now classification of alcohol. First part, in classifications of alcohols, the alcohols are classified into number 1 monohydric alcohol, number 2 dihydric alcohol, number 3 trihydric alcohol, and last one polyhydric alcohol. This is a classification of alcohol. We discuss one by one. For example, this is an example of methanol, that means CH3OH, or it is called as the methyl alcohol. Okay. Here in methyl alcohol, how many hydroxyl groups does it contain? It's a question, simple. How many hydroxyl groups does it contain? It contains only one hydroxyl groups. It contains only one hydroxyl groups. Therefore, this is an example of the monohydric alcohol. So, how will you define the monohydric alcohol? If the compound contains only one hydroxyl group, such a compound, it is called as monohydric alcohol. Next example, here the CH2OH, if we give the nomenclature, that means this is 1 and 2, and here common name is ethylene glycol. Common name is ethylene glycol. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Here, this is dihydric alcohol. This is the dihydric alcohol. Why this is dihydric alcohol? Because compound containing two hydroxyl group. If the any compound containing the two hydroxyl group, then it is called as the dihydric alcohol. That means it contains the two hydroxyl group. And having IUPAC name is ethane. For IUPAC name, it give numbering, this is 1 and 2, and having name ethane, that means 2 carbon, therefore ethane 1,2 diol, because at 1 and 2 number position there is hydroxyl group, therefore ethane 1,2 diol. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Next, in next example, having the CH2OH, CH2OH, that means it contains the 3 hydroxyl groups, and it having the name glycerol. Commonly it is called as glycerol or the glycerin. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Here 1, 2, 3, and therefore the IUPAC name is propane, that means 3 carbon, therefore propane 1, 2, 3 triol. It contains 3 hydroxyl group, therefore this is an example of it is called as the trihydric alcohol. If the compound containing 3 hydroxyl group, there is such a alcohol, it is called as the trihydric alcohol. Next, polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric alcohol is nothing but it contains 4 or more than 4 hydroxyl group. Example, CH2OH, CHOH bracket 4, CH2OH. The common name, it is the sorbitol. It means compound containing 4 or more than 4 hydroxyl group. It is an example of the polyhydric alcohol. Now the next, the monohydric alcohols are further classified as primary, secondary and the tertiary alcohol according to the kind of carbon that bears that the hydroxyl groups. That means these monohydric alcohols are further classified into the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and the tertiary alcohol. Here this primary alcohol, this is a general example. COH is a HH, that means RCH2OH, that means primary alcohol. Now then this is a secondary alcohol, that means this hydroxyl group is attached to the only one alkyl group. At that time it is the primary alcohol. Secondary, it having the 2, that means this hydroxyl group is attached to the 2 alkyl group. If 2 alkyl groups are attached, then it is the example of the secondary alcohol. And this hydroxyl group is attached to the 3 alkyl group. This is 1, 2, 3. Then it is an example of the tertiary alcohol. That means simply the monohydric alcohol, it having the 3 types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. The primary alcohol, that means this hydroxyl group is attached to the only one alkyl group. It is called as primary alcohol. Secondary alcohol, if the hydroxyl group is attached to the 2 alkyl group, then it is the secondary alcohol. Then last, tertiary alcohol, if hydroxyl group is attached to the 3 alkyl group, that means this one, 3 alkyl group, then it is the tertiary alcohol. Now then, classification of monohydric alcohol. The monohydric alcohols, according to a type of hybridization of the carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached, it it having two types. The monohydric alcohols, it contain two types. That means there are two types of the monohydric alcohols. First, alcohol containing sp3OH bond, and second is the alcohol containing the sp2OH bond. Okay, that means the alcohol containing carbon sp3, that hydroxyl group is attached to the sp3 bond, and alcohol containing the carbon sp2OH, that means OH is attached to the sp2 bond. Okay, we discuss one by one this one. That means monohydric alcohol containing this one. Now the next. Okay, thank you.